Yo, Biohazard Candy Kid. This is my gun setup for airsofting. Got my basically my action camera attached to my M4. Yep. And I got my sling here. It's a 1-point sling. And I got my LiPo battery in here. Yep. Running some high cap mags. Pretty awesome. So I don't have my sight on here because the sight practically the battery died on it. So I'm just having to use these normal sights, the normal flip up sights. I don't have my red dot, but I still keep this up, you know. It's pretty sick, you know. Yeah, I like this setup. I think it's very good, very useful. So, you know, I'm just out here filming and stuff. So, yeah, pretty sick. Maybe I'll show you my other gun. I got an AK. Let's well, I'll show you guys in a different video actually. Um, yeah, that's it. That's what's going on. This video is gonna kind of be a short one. I know you can hear a bunch of people in the background talking and stuff. But yeah, I'm testing out the lighting out here, the view. You know, I want to see how well this camera projects out here and stuff, and how well the microphone does out here, and how well it gets my gun too. Make sure to always put your barrel sock on and take your mags out when the game is done. And always call your hits, please. We don't like cheaters. We don't like people who never call their hits. At least I don't. So yeah, for those of you who get into airsofting, just make sure you call your hits. That's the #1 thing that I can't stress enough on. Um, so yeah, if you guys want to subscribe to my channel, go right ahead. Please hit the subscription icon, subscribe, and also like this video and give it a thumbs up. You know, it's a positive video. Um, I'm going to be putting some videos up on my YouTube channel of airsofting. So stay tuned for those videos. It's going to be of some gameplay, kind of my first airsoft gameplay videos. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos, because I know, you know, shoot, I know they're going to be pretty fun. So it looks like we're going to get started on a game. So I'm about to sign out here, and I'll see everybody, you know, later on. Peace.